Hello students, I'm Adrian.
I'm Lucia.
And that's Nicole sleeping over there.
And welcome to our class.
You might be thinking, that's a strange word to understand, but don't stress. Adrian will tell you the rest.
But in reality, it's such an easy word to comprehend. There's actually 3 types of morphemes, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Now my partner Lucia will be explaining what a morpheme is. Go ahead, Lucia.
Now, let me show you. This is an example of a morpheme, box. And you might be wondering,
But why? Why is that a morpheme?
well, you see, a morpheme is a self-standing word or a word that cannot be split into another word. Other examples could be laugh or bird. Now, is everything clear? Crystal!
So now, we'll turn our attention to the types of morphemes that we can find. I'll tell you more about them later, but everything you need to know right now is that there are 3 of them: the root, derived, and compound.
First of all, the root is the most basic type of word there is. For example, pizza, cake, gift, cloud. The root helps us to create other words. If we take a root word and add a prefix or a suffix, we get our second type of word, which is the derived.
So, as Lucia said, the difference between a root and a derived word is an affix, which can be separated in prefixes and suffixes. This depends on if it comes at the beginning or the end, changing, as I said before, a root word into a derived.
Now, we are going to see some examples of prefixes and suffixes. For prefixes, we have inbox, disagree, and happy. And for suffixes, we have walking, helpful, and happily. Amazing! Incredible!
I know it is. And what's more shocking is that all those adjectives you just used are actually derived words. Yay!
And now, we are going to our third and final type, compound words, which are also created by root words, but I'm sure you already knew that. So to create a compound word, we take 2 root words and we put them together. If whatever you have there makes sense, then we have a compound word. A few examples are
Suitcase,
Cell phone,
telephone,
earphones,
sunglasses,
shopping cart,
hamburger.
web page, and many, many more.
Now let's do a really short recap. The root is the shortest and most basic word, like laugh and bird. Derived uses prefixes and suffixes and 1 root word, like laughable and renew. Compound uses 2 root words, like watermelon or suitcase. We all hope you enjoyed this video, but now everyone's asleep, so goodbye.
Created using Powtoon.